What is that? Nails? Lip gloss?
Yeah. Oh, treat for Mickey. Hey, Mickey.
I think that one right there might be from.
Look at the dog.
No, not that one.
Put the lights on.
I know.
Whoa! The box is overflowing.
Pretty jacket.
Wow, you got a bunch of jackets.
That's cute.
Who's that from,
I
Kyla?
like that.
Is that from Kyla?
Kyla and Carolina Bell. That's cute.
That looks more.
I love it.
That looks super fluffy.
I like that's nice
This is
for
for
a
Grandma
smelly girl.
Nellie. You can open it. Let me help you with the ribbon.